Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add a card to Venmo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we're going to go and be doing is opening up the official Venmo application. So if you do not already have Venmo, you want to go to venmo.com on your PC. If you're not your PC but mobile phone, you can just download the Venmo application. So open up the application after downloading it, and once we have opened it up, now we can get started. So the first thing we have to do is log in. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you want to do is go and create one. Go ahead and create one by registering in the Get Venmo button. That's going to enable you to create an account, and once you have gotten your account, we can log in. So after logging in, now we are going to go and be greeted by the main page, and the main page is going to look like this. So this is going to be our home page of Venmo, from where we can get started with accessing all our sections that we have right here at the bottom of the page, such as the home section, we have our crypto section, cards section, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, how are you going to add cards that you're going to be using for paying on Venmo? It's very easy. We have two ways. The first way is to go into your me section right here. By clicking the me section in the bottom right corner, this is going to enable you to open up this main page, from where we can access our wallet, and in our wallet we can get started with accessing any cards that we're using or bank accounts. So you can get started with adding new cards or bank accounts, but a quicker option to add any card that you wish to is just opening up the cards section right here as well. You have your card section that you want to tap. Once you open it up, this is going to enable you to add any card that you want to use with Venmo. So if the card is eligible, you'll be able to add it quickly, and with that your card is going to be added to Venmo. After that, you can go ahead and top up your Venmo balance with that card you have added, and it's easy as that. So all of that is doable right here from the sections tab. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.